Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Laquavia. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm going to be doing a last minute Halloween tutorial that you can do with the makeup that you already have at home. It's a kind of a glamorized Pennywise look. I was looking on Pinterest somewhere. I was really inspired by the movie It. I really like Pennywise. I'm kind of weird, like clowns and stuff. So I was really inspired by the look. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start with doing my regular foundation base routine. I've done plenty of videos on that, so I'll go ahead and just skip and do that off. Okay, so I'm back with my base. I just did my regular foundation and concealer routine, and this is what it looks like. And I'm wanting my face to be a little bit paler because Pennywise is a kind of dead zombie ghost clown, so I want it to be a little paler. So I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the C12. This is like maybe 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, so I'm gonna go ahead and do like another round of concealer. Very bright, well, not very bright, but you know, have me looking a little ghostly, I guess is what I should say. And I actually found this look on Pinterest and I'm like really excited about it because I like love it. So cute. And we have like a Halloween parade in Oak Lawn in Dallas, so I'm really excited to, I think I may do this look for that parade too. This is what I'm going for here. This is the look that I'm kind of going for. I'm like really excited to recreate this look. So I want my skin to be a little more paler, at least for myself, because she is like a way lighter than I am. So yeah, this is what I'm going for. And then to even kind of make my face look a little brighter, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution. This is their luxury baking powder. I'm going to be using the banana shade, just kind of all over my face. I'm going to be using the same blender that I was using to blend out to put that on my skin. I don't know. This is like my first like makeup like Halloween tutorial that I've ever done, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my skin using my favorite. It's the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Chocolate. I'm just gonna bronze up around my skin, around my face. A bronzer brush that I got from TJ Maxx. Carve out my nose just a little bit. Try this foundation brush that I got from Forever 21. Okay, the next I'm gonna go ahead and actually kind of just shape my eyebrows and do like a really cute kind of dark purpley reddish kind of smoky eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with my eyebrows, do my eyebrows off camera, then come back with the eyeshadow look. Okay, my eyebrows are done, so we're ready to get on with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette to do my purpley reddish smoky look. So I'm going to be using the shades, let's see here, Hellride and Punk to kind of achieve this look that I'm going for, because they're kind of like, I don't know, grungy, punkish, like, I don't know. I think they're pretty, so I'm going to be using these colors. So I'm going to start out with the color Rift here as kind of an eyeshadow base. Okay, and then with the color Hellride, I'm going to actually put that into my crease. Color, this kind of burnt brownish reddish color on my lid. color under my lower lash line as well. And I kind of want to put like some glitter or like a shimmer color, but I'm like, no, that is too much. Pennywise didn't have any like glitter or highlight on him, so let me stop. Okay, and that looks really, really good. Then I kind of want to just clean it up a little bit with that banana powder that I was using earlier, just to kind of clean up over here. I'm gonna put on some mascara and some lashes because I am doing kind of a somewhat kind of glam version of Pennywise. So I'm gonna do some lashes and mascara, and I will do that off camera, so I will see you in a bit. Okay, so now I have like the base done. I'm gonna be honest, I'm like freaking excited. I'm loving how it's looking so far. So we're ready to start doing like the face kind of makeup, like creating like the eyes and this mouth and like the bottom. Like I am living right now. Like I'm so freaking excited. So yes. Okay, and I didn't practice this before, so I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but I'm sure I think I can do this. So I'm first gonna start with the eye. So I'm gonna like do the kind of sharp, I don't know, is that like a slash or something on his eye? I'm gonna try doing that first. I'm gonna outline that with a eyeliner. So I'm gonna be using this Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil in black to draw that. That looks somewhat like it's supposed to. Let me go ahead and do the other side. Let me get another pencil because this one is starting to like not work. Let me try this liquid eyeliner and see if that works better. Like this side looks way better than this side. It's so freaking annoying. But I would try and make it work. And I'm going to fill it in with kind of like a reddish burgundy color. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette volume 1 just to do the color. And where is it? Okay. So I'm going to mix in this kind of looks like a purple, I guess a purple, dark plum purple with the red, to see what that does. A little tin that comes with it. Looks exactly how I want it. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm super excited. I'm gonna kind of do the same here. Ooh. I hate when I do that. It's not perfect, but it looks okay. I wish I would have did this one like way better. Like this eye looks exactly what I was going for. But just to give you an idea of what you can do using what you have at home, so that's all that matters. And we're gonna go in with the white. Pretty much the gist of it. Pretty simple, using what you already have at home. This is the final look, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Grr. Why did I do that? Bye guys.